Okay, Robert, this is 6630 Bamburgh Drive in Claremont, 92117. Really cute front yard. You can see it's all succulent, so it's low maintenance. Easy to have a landscaper just come and take care of this. And then it's got the, I don't know if it's rubber or wood. It is wood chips. So again, low maintenance, couple big trees up here. We might want to do a sewer line inspection, just make sure the trees didn't make it anywhere. Travertine flooring, as you can see over here, a little foray, so that would be your kind of your dining area or a little play area here. You can see that there is a fairly open floor plan. As I walk in here, you've got a fireplace, living area, and then there's your formal dining room here. Kitchen's a nice good size. It's open visibility to the living and dining room space, beautiful hood. And then you've got a 4-burner stove with a center warming station, double sink, stainless appliances throughout, and a little micro up there. The backyard is a half and half, 50% wood deck and 50% grass, as you can see, very pretty. Again, pretty low maintenance. And there's your lovely palm trees that you love so much. You have a little piece of Hawaii in here. So I think this one is a pretty good possibility for you. You've got ceiling fans up above. The bedrooms are standard. Bullnose, which I know you love. Bullnose corners. A couple of cabinetries of storage on the side. This is the first bedroom on the right, which opens to the street, but you'll notice that it's open to this really nice garden area. And that's in front, that's that low maintenance garden. Bedroom number 2 is right next to it, also opening up to the street. But as you can see, again, you've got a nice garden view. You're not looking at just cars driving by. Bath number 1 is single vanity with a tub only, no shower in this one, but this would be the guest bath. And then the primary bedroom has shelving, ceiling fan, walk-in closet. Nice space for the closet. And if you walk through the closet, you have the bath. So again, single vanity, good size shower, not like the last tiny little one that we saw. So again, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This one is priced at $949, and it is 1,251 square feet. And I'll get the story on the availability. Okay, so I think this one could definitely work for you.